Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my dear friends? How are you, my dear students? Already we have started chapter number 4, parts and wholes. I am coming this new video, new part number 3 for this chapter. So my dear students, are you ready? Okay. 6 parts of a rectangle on a page number 54. So Rani has divided a green rectangle into 6 equal parts like this. Okay, you can observe here. First part, second, third, okay, fourth, 5 and 6. So in this page number 54, there are 3 figures. What you have to do, आपको क्या करना है? You have to draw different 6 equal parts. Okay, so now you are ready for drawing to draw 6 equal parts. So now you divide each of this rectangle into 6 equal parts. Use a different way for each of the 3 rectangles. So this is the first. Okay. So look at this side. We are going to divide 6 equal parts. Okay. So ready. So part number 1, part number 2, part number 3. It means if you will observe, this is part number 1, part number 2, part number 3, part number 4, okay, part number 5 and part number 6. Clear or not? There are total 6 equal parts which I have made here. So you have to copy in your textbook. TB आपको कहाँ पे कॉपी करना है? इसी तरह का आपको कॉपी करना है टेक्स्ट बुक में. क्लियर? TB it means textbook. Okay. Now second figure. There are second figure and figure number 3. Again we are going to draw a same 6 equal parts. So look at this first part, second, third, fourth, fifth and 6. There are total how many equal parts? 6 parts in different way. Again I am going to draw different way to draw 6 equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Clear? So I have drawn in different way. So same thing you have to copy in your textbook. In which book? Beta, you have to copy into textbook. Page number 54, right? पेज नंबर 54 पे ये 3 फिगर आपको दी गई है. सो आपको ये कॉपी करना है. क्लियर? अंडरस्टूड? नाउ पेज नंबर 55 on your text, in your textbook, please open it. Greedy cat keepers remember Birbal, the clever minister of King Akbar. Okay, the King Akbar is a minister of King Akbar. Birbal is the clever minister of King Akbar. Okay, mathematics class page number 14. Do you know how he became a minister? Because these things you have learned in class 4. Okay, now look at this side. This is a very funny story. Birbal was then a young boy living in a village. वो एक छोटे से गांव में रहता था. कौन? Birbal. He was a very clever and could write a poetry. He is a poet. He has ability to write many poems. So he was a poet at that age. वो जमाने में बहुत अच्छे सी पोएम वो लिखता था. He thought he would try his luck in the king's court. So he took some of his poems and set off for the city. When he reached the outer gate of the palace, he was stopped by the gatekeeper. Where are you going? कहाँ पे आपको जाना है? Hi, stop there. Where are you going? आपको कहाँ पे जाना है? Shouted the gatekeeper. Why are you coming here? Get out. So Birbal told, I am a poet and I want to see King Akbar and show my poems to him. Who gave reply, beta? Birbal gave reply to the outer gatekeeper. I am a poet. I want to see King Akbar and show my poems. Yes. Oh, you are a poet? The king is kind. He will surely give you a prize. 110% you will get a prize, but one condition, you have to give me 1/10 of your prize. आपको मुझे 1/10 के हिसाब से आपको मुझे क्या देना पड़ेगा? You have to give me prize. Okay? Understood? So the young Birbal agreed, since he had no other way, because the younger brother agreed, because of there is no option, there is no other option. So the Birbal agreed, okay, I will give you 1/10 portion of my prize, which Akbar will give me. Okay? So when he went in, the gatekeeper calculated. जब बिरबल किंग अकबर को जब उसने जो पोएम लिखी थी वो बताने के बाद जब बाहर निकलता है, सो अकबर gave him how many gold? If he gives 100 gold coins, उसको अगर कितना मिलता है? 100 गोल्ड कॉइन्स मिलता है. तो वो सोचने लगा कि अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ द अकबर विल गिव हिम 100 गोल्ड कॉइन्स, सो आई विल गेट हाउ मैनी? मुझे कितना मिलेगा? अगर बिरबल को 100 गोल्ड कॉइन मिलता है तो मुझे कितना मिलेगा? तो आई विल गेट हाउ मैनी? सो वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट हियर. ओके, द फर्स्ट गेटकीपर. ओके, फर्स्ट गेटकीपर प्राइस उसको कितना मिलना चाहिए? 1/10 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100. सो लुक एट दिस साइड. सो दिस 0 एंड दिस 0 विल बी कट. तो व्हाट इज आंसर बेटा? द रिमेनिंग नंबर इज 10 1 10. क्लियर? अंडरस्टूड? क्लियर? तो इज इक्वल टू 10 गोल्ड. तो उसको कितना मिलेगा? 10 गोल्ड मिलेगा. राइट? क्लियर? नाउ द पोएट केम टू द सेकंड gatekeeper. This gatekeeper also said, I will let you in if you give me 2/5 of your price. आपको मुझे कितना देना पड़ेगा? 2 divided 2/5. Clear? Understood? आपको मुझे 2/5 you have to give me, which Akbar will give you a price 2/5. ओके, आपको मुझे गोल्ड कॉइन इतना देना पड़ेगा, 2/5 जितना मिलेगा उसमें से. ओके ओके, आई विल गिव यू. कौन बोलता है? बिरबल. ओके, वी विल गिव यू. The gatekeeper happily calculated. The poet will get at least 100 gold coins, so I will get. वो सोचता है second gatekeeper. Okay, suppose if the Birbal will get 100 gold coins, so I will get this coin. Okay, now we are going to calculate second gatekeeper price. 2/5 multiplied by 100. Okay, to my dear students, look at this side. So 500 divided by 5. Okay, so 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. So 10 minus 10. Clear? So 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. 1 minus 1 is equal to also 0. Now carry out by 0. Okay. So we will put 0. So my dear students, can I write 20 multiplied by 5. Clear? But this 5 and this 5 will be cut. So 20 multiplied by 2. 20 multiplied by 2. So 2 0 ja 0. 2 2 ja 4. So how many coins is equal to 4? 40 gold coins. Clear? So answer is 40 gold coins. Clear? Now, so here it will get, second gatekeeper will get 40 gold coins. Okay? Now the poet reached the last gate. फर्स्ट gatekeeper को कितना मिलेगा? 10. सेकंड gatekeeper को वो कितना मिलेगा? 40. Now the last, the gatekeeper said, I will allow you to see the king only if you give me half of the prize that you get. The poet had no other way. उसके पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं था. He agreed and went inside. The gatekeeper thought, उसने सोचा कि today is a great day. मुझे लिए बहुत अच्छा दिन है. Today is a very great day for that. Because why? It is a great day for the last gatekeeper. Suppose if the Birbal gets 100 gold coins, so I will get 50. Or suppose if he gets 1000 coins, wow, I will get this. So we are going to show a calculation. Okay, so last gatekeeper price, suppose people will get price 100 gold, उनको आधा मिलना चाहिए. तो 100/2. So what we have to do here? 100 divided by 2. Clear? 2 5 ja 10. Clear? So 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Carry out by 0. The number is 0. So what is answer beta? The answer is 50 only. Clear? The answer is 50 gold. मुझे आधा मिल जाएगा. Who is thinking? The last gatekeeper is thinking. Suppose the Birbal will get 100 gold coins, so I will get 50 gold coins. Again he is thinking. Suppose Birbal will get price 1000 gold. Wow! Suppose Birbal will get price 1000 gold. So 1000 upon 2. So here 1000 divide by 2. So 2 5 ja 10. Okay. 0 minus 0 0. 1 minus 1 0. Carry out by 0. Okay. So here it is 0 is also added. Again 0, it is also 0. So what is answer? The answer is 500. Okay, so 500 gold. अगर 100 गोल्ड बीरबल को मिलता है तो उसको कितना मिलेगा? 50. अगर उसको 1000 गोल्ड मिलता है तो उसको कितना मिलेगा? 500 gold. Okay, so here 50 gold. If suppose if he gets 100 gold coins, so I will get 50 gold coins. But if he gets 1000 coins, wow, I will get 500 coins. The king was very happy with the poems and said, your work is very good. You can ask anything as your prize. My lord, my king, I want 100 slabs. I want 100 slabs. What? 100 slabs? 100? Okay, yes. The king was shocked. Why it is shocked? Because this Birbal want to bid the first gatekeeper 10 slabs. Second gatekeeper maybe how many slabs? 40 slabs. Or last gatekeeper maybe either 50 slabs or 500 slabs. Clear? So my dear students, this type of calculation you have to do in your CW book and write the answer directly in the textbook. So my dear students, thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day. Go ahead.